Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adila binti Kamaruzaman. My metric number cb210028. So today I would like to present to you about the sound level meter. So first thing first, what is sound level meter? A sound level meter is basically an instrument that measures the intensity or loudness of the sound in the given environment. Then it also provides objective and quantitative data about the sound level, allowing for assessment, analysis, and also monitoring of noise level in the various settings. So basically, this sound level meter are employed by widely different industry in this world. So net is the principle of sound level meter. The principle of sound level meter is based on the measurement and analysis of sound pressure level using a microphone and electronic circuit. So the first one is sound wave and pressure, which is sound wave abbreviation of air particle that propagate through a medium, which is when sound wave reach a microphone, they can cause a variation in air pressure. So net is microphone. The microphone convert the sound pressure variation into a corresponding electrical signal, which is this signal are proportional to the instantaneous sound pressure at the microphone location. Net is amplification and conditioning. So basically, in this principle, the electrical signal from the microphone are amplified to usable level by the sound level meter electronic circuitry. So basically, the amplifier ensure that even low intensity sound can be accurately measured. So additionally, the signal may undergo conditioning, including filtering to eliminate unwanted frequency or adjustment to optimize the signal for the further processing. Weighting. So in the weighting principle, human perception of sound varies with frequency. So different frequency components of sound contribute differently to our subjective perceptions of loudness. So these weighting filters such as A weighting and C weighting are commonly applied to the electrical signal to mimic the frequency response characteristic of the human ear. So this weighting allows sound level meter to measure sound level in a manner that corresponds more closely to how humans perceive the sound. So last one is level measurement and calculation. In this principle, the amplified and conditioned signal is then typically processed to calculate the sound level in decibel. So basically, this calculation involves converting the measured sound pressure level to a logarithm scale using a reference pressure level. Then the decibel scale allows for more practical representation of the wide range of sound pressure encountered in the real world scenarios. So below you can see the formula that being used to calculate the sound level meter. So moving on to the method of using sound level meter, there are two types of method. Which is indoor and outdoor. So when we are using the sound level meter indoors, we have to eliminate obstacle. This is to ensure that there are no obstruction between the sound level meters, microphones, and the sound source. So which is we should remove any object that could interfere with the sound reaching the microphone directly. So next is position the microphone. So you have to place the microphone of the sound level meter in the direction of the sound source. This is to ensure that it captures the sound accurately. So when you are using the sound level meter outdoor, you have to consider the weather condition. If possible, take a sound level measurement in the dry weather condition. Basically, in the wet or rainy weather, it can affect the accuracy of the readings. So next, it's wind protection. So if the wind speed exceeds 5 meters per second, consider using wind protection for the microphone. This is because wind can cause additional noise and turbulence around the microphone, also affecting the accuracy of the measurement. So regardless of whether the measurements are taken indoor or outdoor, it's crucial to keep detailed record of the measurement condition. This can include types of sound level meter, number and duration measurement, measurement location, times of day, and also distribution of sound source. By recording and documenting this factor, you can ensure that the measurements are accurate and reliable. Next content is advantages and disadvantages of the sound level meter. So the first advantages of the sound level meter is accurate measurement, which is sound level meter provide a precise and objective measurement of sound level and allowing for consistent and reliable data. So next is versatility, which is sound level meter can be used in various environment and industry, including occupational safety, environment monitoring. Next is real-time monitoring. The sound level meter provides instant feedback on sound level, allowing for immediately adjustment or intervention when noise level exceed the acceptable limits. Then, it can give advantages in the standardization, which is sound level meter is added to international standard and regulation, ensuring uniformity and comparability of measurement across different location and application. The last one is data logging. Many modern sound level meter have built-in memory or data logging capabilities. This can allow the collection and analysis of sound level data over time. Then the disadvantages of the sound level meter. The first one is limited frequency range, which is some sound level meter have limited frequency response, which means they may not accurately measure sound level across the entire audible spectrum. This is basically specialized method may be required for the specific frequency range. Next is calibration. The sound level meter require periodic calibration to ensure accurate and reliable measurement. This can involve additional cost and also maintenance effort. So next is inadequate for complex analysis. This is why sound level meter provide valuable information about sound level. They may not be suitable for more complex analysis of sound characteristic, such as identify specific frequency and also distinguishing between different types of sound. Next is external factor, which is this sound level meter can be affected by external factors such as wind, temperature, or humidity, which is this may introduce inaccuracy in the measurement. So the last one is cost. Highly quality sound level meter can be expensive, especially those designed for specialized application. This cost may be prohibitive for some individual or organization. That is the application of the sound level meter in industry. There are 7 types of industry that being used the sound level meter for a different purpose. The first one is manufacturing and industrial. So this sound level meter are intensively used in this manufacturing of plants, factories, and industrial setting to assess and control the noise level. This can help identify noisy machinery, evaluate the effectiveness of noise control measure, and also ensure the compliance with occupational health and safety regulation. So next is construction industry. So construction sites are known for their high noise level, and the sound level meter are used to monitor and also manage the noise emissions. So can assist in assessing the impact of construction activity on worker and also nearby communities, and they are aid in implementing noise control measure to mitigate noise pollution. So next is transportation. So the sound level meter are utilized in transportation industry, particularly in aviation, railways, road, and also port. So this can help measure and monitor the noise level that generate by vehicles, aircraft, and also transportation infrastructure, ensuring compliance with noise regulation and also minimizing the impacts of surrounding. So next, entertainment and also event. Sound level meter are essentially in the entertainment industry, including music concert, festival, and also live performance. So this is to assist in monitoring sound level to ensure they are within acceptable limits, and also protecting the hearings of performance and also attending, and to maintaining a pleasant acoustic environment. So next is environmental monitoring. So these sound level meter are used in environmental monitoring to assess noise pollution in residential area, urban environments, and also natural habitat. So this is can help me to measure and analyze noise level to understand the impact on human health, wildlife, and also overall environmental qualities. So next is research and development. Sound level are employed in research and development activities across various industries. So they aid in measuring sound level during experiments, assessing noise emission of new products, evaluation acoustic performance, and conducting study that related to noise control and also mitigation. The last one is occupational health and safety. So these sound levels are crucial for occupational health and safety in various industries. So this is can help to assess workers' exposure to noise, determine appropriate hearing protection, and also implement noise control measure to prevent hearing loss and also other health issues. So next is factor that affecting calibration of sound level meter. There are four factors. The number one is agent and wear. So over time, the component of the sound level meter can be age or wear out. So which is this is can be affect its calibration. Regular calibration help to identify and also fix any change that caused by aging or wear. So next is environmental condition. Factors like temperature, humidity, and also atmospheric pressure can impact the performance of a sound level meter. Calibration in control environmental condition ensure the accurate measurements in different settings. Moving on to the next point, which is shock and mechanical stress. So physical impact of stress on the sound level meter can cause damage or calibration shift, which is a regular calibration that helps detect and fix any issues caused by mishandling or accident. So the last one is frequency response. The sound level meter are designed to respond evenly across different frequency. However, this certain factor can introduce variation in their response. Calibration ensure that the sound level meter maintains the accurate and consistent measurements across the desired frequency range. Then frequency of calibration or sound level meter. There are four frequency, which is the number one is regulatory requirements, which is some industry and regions have specific rules that dictate how often a sound level meter should be calibrated. Then adhering to this regulation is important for accurate measurement and also compliance. Next is manufacturer recommendations, which is the manufacturer provide guidelines on how often the sound level meter should be calibrated. This recommendation consider factors like the model usage and also environments. Following the manufacturer guidelines, this is can help maintain the accuracy. Then the importance of measurement. So the critically of measurement obtained from the sound level meter that also can affect calibration frequency. If the measurement are crucial for safety, compliance, or quality control, more frequent calibration may be needed for accuracy and also reliability. So the last one is environmental condition. So challenging environments such as extreme temperature, also exposure to contaminants, may require more frequent calibration. So which is in this condition, it can affect the meter performance and also stability. So in conclusion, sound level meter are vital instruments that been used to measure and also assess sound level in the various industry and also setting. They are play a crucial role in occupational safety, environmental monitoring, compliance with regulation, and also quality control. So basically, the sound level meter are essentially tool for managing noise, ensuring occupational safety, protecting the environment, and also maintaining compliance with regulation. Their proper usage, calibration, and adherence to industry standard are critical for obtain accurate measurements and also ensuring the well-being of individual and the quality of products and also environments. So that's all from me. Thank you for your time. See you again.